In this video, I'll guide you through how to reconcile a suspense account in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what you're looking at so you can clear items sitting in suspense and keep your accounts tidy and accurate. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Log into your Xero organization as you normally would. It's a good idea to make sure you're in the correct organization if you have access to more than one, because you'll be working directly with that organization's bank accounts and suspense account. Once you're in, look along the top navigation bar for the accounting menu. This is where Xero keeps most of your core financial tools. Hover over or click on accounting. From the options that appear, you're going to choose bank accounts. This section shows all the bank and clearing accounts that have been set up in your Xero file, including any suspense account that's being used to temporarily hold unexplained transactions. On the bank accounts page, you'll see a list of all your accounts, usually with balances and reconcile buttons next to them. Find the suspense account in that list. It might be named suspense to clearing or something similar depending on how it was set up in your chart of accounts. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right one, because this is where you're going to deal with those unmatched or uncertain items that have been held in suspense. Click on the suspense account to open it. This takes you into the account's transaction view where you can see what's happening in that specific ledger. Near the top or to the right, you'll see an option to reconcile. Go ahead and click reconcile. This is where the real work of matching and clearing items in the suspense account happens. Once you're in the reconciliation screen for the suspense account, Xero will show you statement lines on one side and possible matches or coding options on the other. Statement lines represent the individual transactions that have been imported or created for that account, but haven't yet been fully matched or allocated. Here, you can go through each statement line and decide what to do with it. Your goal is to either match it to an existing transaction in Xero, such as an invoice, bill, or manual journal, or to create a new transaction that correctly classifies it. For example, if a payment sitting in suspense actually relates to a specific customer invoice, you would search for that invoice and match the two together. If a transaction is something like bank fees or interest that hasn't been recorded yet, you can code it directly to the appropriate expense or income account. Take your time with this step. The suspense account is meant to be temporary, so as you reconcile each statement line, you're effectively moving amounts out of suspense and into their correct place in your accounts. Make sure the description, date, and amount all make sense before you confirm a match or create a new transaction. Work through each line until everything in the suspense account is either matched or properly coded. When you're done, the suspense account balance should reduce, ideally down to zero, reflecting that there are no longer unknown or unallocated amounts sitting there. That's all there is to it. You've gone to Xero, navigated through accounting to bank accounts, opened your suspense account, clicked reconcile, and then used the reconciliation screen to clear your statement lines. With this process, you keep your records clean and your financial reports more reliable.